Hello Forex traders. So here today I'm going to show you how to analyze EURUSD every day, anytime. Even if you'll see this video 10 years later, this will still apply. Okay, the first thing first, we don't analyze every pair the same. These pairs are different. They have different market structures and they actually behave different. So today here we're going to deal with EURUSD. First thing first, I've opened the chart here so that you can see. Actually, I'll go for day one so that we can see everything clear. Remember, high time frames show you the big picture of the market. Always, you must always check it to see how the market behaves. So what we can already tell here, as you can see on the chart, is that EURUSD is a trend based pair. Okay, you have the trend base pair here. You can see I don't have something to mark on my charts now, but you can see that the EURUSD from you can see we have a downtrend, the channel, downtrend, the channel, downtrend, the channel. So even if you can go back again, you still have the same thing: uptrend, retracement, channel, uptrend, retracement, channel. You can see the more you zoom out, the more you can see everything clear. You can see here, let's begin here on this screen. It's a downtrend. Okay, let's close it. Downtrend again. Actually, EURUSD is a trend based pair, which means if you are going to trade EURUSD, look for trends, use the indicators. Which one? The trends, use the continuous. Mostly you're going to continue with the trend. EURUSD is the one that you trend is your friend. Okay, EURUSD is a trending based currency. Use the indicators which are based on trend, the continuous trend, and then use the market structures based on trend. Use the candlestick pattern based on trend, and then use the price action trading which is based on trend. Okay guys, please check in my description. Obvious, I've placed something which will be useful for you, whether an app, whether whatever. Just always check in my description below. Give me a subscribe, comment, and tell me which pair do you want us to work on. Remember, each pair got different ways of being analyzed. So drop me the comment below. Give me the pair that you want to understand, and then I will upload a video for you. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, check my apps. I have the apps in Google Play, the apps for uh, creating your auto trading robot with the simple steps. And then another thing, I have a forex course which is free. You download the app and then you just learn my concepts about the trading, and then you learn a lot from fundamental candlesticks, everything that you can think about. And then there's an app which is for sale, which is the cheapest price ever, $32 only. The app, you will just create your own trading robots with the simple clicks, as if you are on a meter trade app like this. You just choose these things and then done, your indicator will be added to your robot, and then just like that. You don't need to know how to code. Please guys, give me a subscribe, share with others. Don't forget to leave the comment. Sharp.